artists. Today, we're drawing Peppa Pig wearing a royal crown, looking just like a little princess. She loves to dress up and have fun with her friends. Do you think she is pretending to be a princess? Or is she the queen of muddy puddles? Let's grab our pencils and start drawing. For even more creative fun, be sure to check out our coloring books on Amazon. By searching for Pinky Art, you can locate it. Together, let's enjoy some fun drawing. Peppa Pig's eyes have opened. I believe she enjoys what she sees. Great! Our drawing is complete. Now it's time to make it even more magical with color. Let's bring Peppa Pig to life with your favorite crayons or markers. Please like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button to make sure you don't miss any new videos. done! Peppa Pig looks amazing as a little princess. We did a fantastic job! Keep practicing, keep having fun, and if you love coloring, check out my Pinky Art coloring books on Amazon. Until next time!